Hi, Kayleen. Sorry for the background noise, but you'll probably hopefully be able to hear me. Um, I have made some changes here already because I recorded a video and somehow I didn't upload. But what I tried to tell you is that you need to find, when you have a question like this, a code that in the same assignment that actually looks like is doing something close to what I'm requesting you to do. So unless I indicate otherwise, I indicate that you should, it's a review from previous weeks or from previous labs, you should find something close to what you need within the same assignment. So here I'm asking you to calculate two summary statistics, a median and interquartile range, for a particular variable, arrival delays, for that is reported in a particular data set called SFO, February flights. Well, if you look back here, I say something like this. Another useful functionality is being able to quickly calculate summary statistics. So median and interquartile range are summary statistics for various groups in your data frame. Oh, Paula, how would I know that these things are summary statistics? By watching the video lectures, right? For the various groups in your data frame. For example, we can modify the above command using group by function to get the same summary statistics as here, right? So there is the mean and the standard deviation of the full data set, not grouped by anything. And I'm saying we can modify the code to get mean and standard deviation of a variable grouped by origin. Of course, question 2, I'm asking you to group by carrier and to get not the mean, but the median, and not of departure delay, but median of arrival delays. And you can see how this piece of the code is just giving the name that you want on the table like this, right? So this is basically the code that you want to modify. So you come here and you copy and paste it here, and now you have to just modify for your purposes. So let's read this code. This code is telling R to open up a data set called RDU flights. But we don't want RDU flight, we want this other one, SFO, February flights. Only February flights should be considered. This is a pipe operator that connects lines of codes such that the output of this command is used to execute the following command. So I'm opening up SBO February flights data set, so R has it open, so R is seeing that data set, and I'm asking R to group that data set by origin, and then keep that grouping, and which is the output of this command, and connect it to the next command, which is to summarize a particular variable. And we don't want to summarize departure delay. We want to summarize arrival delay. That's what I asked you to summarize. And we don't want mean and standard deviation. We want median. And you typed the exact right functions, by the way, with your code. You just didn't pipe it with the rest of the stuff. So these are the things you want to summarize. And because you want your table to have sensible names, let's call it median, this variable median, arrival delay, AD, and let's call this interquartile range, arrival delay. So if you click, oops. Oh, it's it's IQR, not the opposite, so sorry. So, oh, sorry, we don't want to group by origin either. We want to group by carrier. So that's another thing we want to modify. So there you have it. So the 3 different carriers, and the median and interquartile range for each one of them. So I hope this helps. You mentioned in your email that it's been hard to balance the 4 classes plus being in a GA, and I fully understand that. If there is a reason to not push the assignments, the stats assignments earlier in the week so you can get help in a more reasonable amount of time, it's just that the reason I'm saying this, I don't mind helping you Thursday night, but what if I don't see your email, I'm doing something else, and I can't be helpful at that time? It would be useful if you could start on the stats assignments before, but if there is a reason why you need to start, maybe you need to do other assignments before you get to stats, if there's any reason, let me know. I don't want to be unfair to others that have to submit on time, and if, I can't accommodate everybody, but if there is a reason not to organize your schedule to do stats a little earlier on the week, let me know so that I can try and accommodate your needs specifically. If it's not a lot of people, maybe we're able to open an exception for you to submit this on Fridays. Okay? All right. I'm going to try and upload again, hopefully successfully, and send that to you. Bye-bye.